Today, we're making Spanish feel very useful, very fast, with the present perfect. This is the tense for things that have happened, especially when they matter now. In English, it's I have eaten, she has studied, we have finished. In Spanish, the formula is wonderfully compact. Haber plus past participle. Think of it like a two-piece sandwich. First piece, he, has, ha, hemos, han. Second piece, the action word usually ending in ado or ido. Put them together and boom, you've got the present perfect. So let's hear the core forms first. He means I have. Has means you have. Ha means he or she has. Hemos means we have. On means they have. Notice something nice? For this level, you can focus on just these 5 very useful forms. No need to crowd your brain today. Now the second piece, the past participle. For most AR verbs, switch to ado. Hablar becomes hablado, spoken. Terminar becomes terminado, finished. For most ER and IR verbs, switch to ido. Comer becomes comido, eaten. Vivir becomes vivido, lived. Easy pattern. AR, ado. ER and IR, ido. It's like Spanish saying, keep calm and add a neat ending. Let's build one. He comido. I have eaten. How do you say I have eaten in Spanish? He comido. Nice. He plus comido. Try another. Hemos terminado. We have finished. How do you say we have finished in Spanish? Hemos terminado. Good. Hemos is we have. Here's the big memory trick. The helper verb haber changes, but the participle usually does not. So in he comido, has comido, ha comido, hemos comido, han comido, comido stays comido. That's a gift. Spanish is being kind. Now let's make it practical. You might say, he estudiado español hoy. I have studied Spanish today. Or, ha llegado temprano. He or she has arrived early. Or, hemos hablado mucho. We have talked a lot. How do you say, she has studied a lot in Spanish? Ha estudiado mucho. Exactly. Ha estudiado mucho. A very common use is with time words like hoy, today, esta semana, this week, and ya, already. For example, hoy he trabajado mucho. Today I have worked a lot. Ya hemos comido. We have already eaten. This tense often feels connected to the present moment. Now a very important warning. Don't confuse he with y, the word for and. He comido is I have eaten. If you say ya comido, that's not a sentence. That's your brain asking for help. Also, don't use ser or estar here. Not soy comido, not estoy comido. The helper is haber. Let's do a question, because real life loves questions. To ask, have you seen this movie? Spanish says, ¿has visto esta película? Same formula, just in question form. How do you say, have you seen this movie in Spanish? ¿Has visto esta película? Great. Has visto. Seen is visto. And yes, that one is irregular. That brings us to a few super common irregular participles you'll hear all the time. Visto from ver, seen. He visto, I have seen. Hecho from hacer, done or made. He hecho, I have done or made. Dicho from decir, said. He dicho, I have said. These are worth memorizing early because they show up everywhere. Let's try one. How do you say, I have done my homework in Spanish? He hecho mi tarea. Nice. He hecho mi tarea. Another one. How do you say, we have said that already in Spanish? Hemos dicho eso ya. Perfecto. Now let's talk negatives, because sometimes the most important thing is what has not happened yet. In Spanish, just put no before the helper verb. No he comido. I have not eaten. No han llegado. They have not arrived. How do you say they have not arrived yet in Spanish? No han llegado todavía. Exactly. No han llegado todavía. You can also hear aún in some contexts, but todavía is a very friendly everyday word to remember. Here's another useful one. How do you say I have not finished in Spanish? No he terminado. Simple and powerful. Let's lock in the pattern with a quick rhythm. He comido. I have eaten. Has comido. You have eaten. Ha comido. He or she has eaten. Hemos comido. We have eaten. Han comido. They have eaten. Same participle, different helper. If you remember that rhythm, you can build dozens of sentences. Now, a common learner mistake, using the simple past when you really want the present perfect. At A2, don't stress too much, because people will understand you. But if you want to sound natural in many everyday situations, especially with words like hoy or esta semana, the present perfect is very handy. Hoy he hablado con Ana. Today I have spoken with Ana. Esta semana hemos trabajado mucho. This week, we have worked a lot. Let's try two more. How do you say, today I have worked a lot? Hoy he trabajado mucho. Great. How do you say, this week we have studied Spanish in Spanish?
Esta semana hemos estudiado español.
Excellent. And one tiny pronunciation tip. Hablado, comido, vivido. Let the endings be clear. Hado, ido. Those endings are your little flashing signs saying, hello, I'm a participle. So here's your fast recap. Present perfect in Spanish is haber plus participle. He, has, ha, hemos, han, plus hado or ido most of the time. Example, he comido, has visto, hemos terminado. Put no before the helper for negatives. No he comido. For questions, keep the same structure. Has visto? You've already built real Spanish today. He comido. Hemos terminado. Ha estudiado mucho.
¿Has visto esta película?
No han llegado todavía. That is not small. That is real progress. Keep listening for this tense in songs, shows, and conversations. Every time you hear he, has, ha, hemos, or han followed by a participle, give yourself a little mental high five. You're recognizing the pattern, and patterns are where fluency starts. Muy bien. Has aprendido mucho hoy. You have learned a lot today. And yes, that was the present perfect too.